myself JYOTHI.I.S.B.Sc, tutor of Saraswati Tuition, Davangere. Welcome to my class, Maths with Jyoti Ma'am. It's a class for 9th standard students, C.B.ed./C NCERT and also for Karnataka state students. In that very first chapter, number systems, in that exercise number 1.3, the 9th main, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Here some numbers are given. We have to classify are this a rational number or a irrational number. In the first number, it is given that square root of 23. Square root of 23. According to the mathematical concepts, we said that the square root of a perfect square, square root of a perfect square is a rational number. In the same way, the square root of a imperfect square, here 23 is given, it is an imperfect square, because perfect square means if you find a square root of any number like this 25, the square root of number is a perfect square. Therefore, we can say that it is a perfect square. You will get the exact square root. But for square root of 23 is not a perfect square. It is imperfect square. Therefore, square root, it is the square root of a imperfect number, imperfect square. Therefore, that is it is a irrational number. Irrational number, because 23 is a imperfect square. Imperfect square. You are given that the square root of a imperfect square is an irrational number. Therefore, here the reason is 23 is imperfect square. Here, square root of 225, it is written as 15 into 15. It's nothing but here the square root of this 225 is 15. This is the square root of a perfect square number. Here, the square root of a perfect square number. Square number is a rational number. Square root of a perfect square, because 25 can be written as 15 into 15. The square root of 225 is 15. Therefore, it is a rational number. It's a rational number. While in the introduction class, while telling the difference between the rational numbers and irrational numbers, I have took this point to differentiate the rational numbers and irrational numbers. And the rational numbers are square root of the perfect squares. The irrational numbers are square root of imperfect square. Understood? Therefore, it is a rational number. Here, it is in the decimal expansion form. We have to identify these numbers. Is it a rational or irrational? By the knowledge of the decimal expansion. Which type of decimal expansion is this? Yes, what we came to know that it is 0.3796. It is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. It is a terminating decimal. Terminating decimals are, according to the knowledge, terminating decimals are nothing but the rational numbers. These are rational numbers. Understood? Students, follow on. Here, next is given 7.478, 478 and these are recurring, isn't it? It is also in the decimal form. Here 3 digits 47847 are repeating or recurring, and also it is non-terminating because it is non-terminating. The type of the decimal expansion is non-terminating along with recurring. Non-terminating along with the recurring decimals are which type of numbers? Non-terminating and recurring decimals are rational numbers. Understood? It is not terminating, even though but the numbers are recurring. Therefore, these are rational numbers. Yes, we identified by the nature of the decimal expansion. The decimal expansion in that recurring and non-terminating. Therefore, it is a rational number. And then, the last one. Here also, this is also in the decimal expansion. We have to study the decimal expansion. Is it? Anyway, we came to know that it is non-terminating, isn't it? Because it is non-terminating along with, observe this, here 1 0 is there. After that 1 2 0, 1 0 0 is there, and then 1 0 0 0, and then 1 4 zeros. Here after 1 only 1 0 is repeated. Here after 2 zeros are repeated. The numbers, the string of numbers are not recurring. Understood? What we came to know here, that a string is 1 0. If it is a repeating, it means 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 should be there. But it is not repeating. Here given that 1 0 is there, after 1 0, 1 double 0 is there, after that 1 triple 0, after that 1 4 0. Like this it is given that the nature of this decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring, because the numbers are not repeating. Therefore, non-terminating or non-recurring decimals. Therefore, these type of decimals are irrational numbers. Students, are you followed? Yes. In the decimal expansion, don't get confused. It is a terminating decimal. Therefore, we said that it is a rational number. Here, it is not terminating, but the some strings are repeating decimals. Therefore, it is also a rational number. In this case, it is not terminating and non-recurring. Non-terminating, non-recurring decimals or irrational numbers. I hope you understood or followed this class. Let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe. If you want to like the video, like, and if you want to share the video, share, and definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching.